the time you read this, I'll be gone. By working as your assistant every day for the past 12 years, I have accumulated over 1,000 vacation days that I'm required to use on a 1,000-day vacation. I couldn't bear to tell you face to face. Goodbye, Mayor. You'll do just fine. Miss Bellum.
I'm already beginning to forget her face.
Try me.
Miss Bellum!
Hello, Mayor.
Good day, Miss Bellum. How is every little thing? Pencil go snap.
Here, let me help you with that.
Hello, and welcome back. This is definitely a simpler costume, but I've had it in the back of my mind for years, and considering the rumor that circulated the internet this year about the Cartoon Network, I thought I would bring it back from its so-called death. I've taken some scrap poster board, or bristle board if you will, that you can get from the dollar store, and planned out the size in relation to my head, as you can tell that I wanted it to be, and divided that length by the number of letters in cartoon and network, which is 7 in each row, or word I guess. Divvying up the space to make each letter an even space of square. Actually squared it up. And then traced out in pencil each letter itself. Once they were to my liking in reference to my photo, as always. There's one thing about me, I will get hurt with anything I am doing. I started with a white acrylic paint as it's much easier to cover the mistakes with black. I used 2 different brushes for this paint job, one kind of medium-sized brush and a detailing brush to get into all the finer lines. I added 3 layers of the white to make it as opaque and bold as I wanted it to be. And then carried on with the black, which made it finally pop on camera. I did make a few mistakes along the way, which resulted in me having to go back with both colors, shades, whatever. Alright. Both prior and after I cut it with a ruler and X-Acto knife or utility knife. So I was actually able to wear it. I simply added an elastic to the back. I was actually going to add it to the front, but it was obviously more hidden in the back, and I would prefer it to not look like there was an elastic around my head. I folded it over twice on itself to give it some extra security and then stapled it down, which, unknown to me at the time, but I quickly found out, actually stapled into my table. At least that meant it was super secure. I did it twice on both sides. This was my last touch-up before finally sealing it with a resin. I put a glob of the black over the black and a white over the white in the respective squares where the staple had gone through. And finally went in with a coat of resin on a disposable sponge to evenly distribute it. I know Sara Bellum wears a vivid red dress, but I thought this fit the bill anyways, and it's a beauty. Topped with a brilliant red lipstick and a voluptuous orange wig, and away we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye guys. Happy Halloween.
Let's finish this, shall we, girls?